Once you've fallen into the rabbit hole that is mechanical keyboards, you'll soon discover that there are many more rabbit holes within this burgeoning community. Like Inception, it's a rabbit hole within a rabbit hole. The general starter pack for anyone dipping their feet into mechanical keyboards consists of a board, switches, and keycaps. Artisan keycaps, on the other hand, take on their own form and following. The pandemic has seen a rise in DIY artisan keycap makers, usually based in the comfort of their own homes. Now, combine the ingenuity of a small custom keyboard retailer with the historic prestige of a centuries-old pewter company. You'll get the durian artisan pewter keycap, the stunning result of a collaboration between Malaysia-based Rebuilt Keyboards and Royal Selangor. The king of fruits on your keyboard. While this certainly isn't the first artisan keycap modeled after everyone's favorite stinky fruit, it's definitely a noteworthy release, seeing that it was designed and made in Malaysia, by two Malaysian companies. According to Rebuilt Keyboards, only 200 pieces will be made, with each one being sold at a cool RM$359, roughly $85 US, on a first-come first-served basis. And of course, as with most artisan keycaps, it's meant to sit on the top row of your keyboard. Most people in this case would put it where the escape key-esque normalius on the top left. Where you put this artisan keycap is completely up to you at the end of the day. If you choose to put it elsewhere, you'll have to contend with the thorny fruit possibly blocking you from reaching other keys. It sticks out, after all. This is reportedly Royal Selangor's first foray into artisan keycaps, making it a rather special release for the wider mechanical keyboard community. Each keycap is casted from a master mold, hand-sculpted by an experienced Royal Selangor sculptor. The sculptor then finishes the keycap by hand to make it look like a durian. And since there will only be 200 made, each keycap comes with its own numbered authentication card and special Royal Selangor packaging. We've been tremendously excited for this unique project, and are honored to be able to work with a brand that has such deep roots in Malaysian history. Rebuilt Keyboards says, tin, the majority material in pewter, has played a pivotal role in the growth of Malaysia, particularly in areas abundant with the material such as in Kuala Lumpur. Being a pioneer in crafting pewter objects in Malaysia since 1885, Royal Selangor has existed for over 135 years, producing a variety of pewter-based products ever since. Click here to get your hands on a durian artisan pewter keycap, set for release on February 19, 2022 at 10 p.m. MYT. While you wait, check out Rebuilt Keyboards, and support local businesses, on Instagram and their official website. Want to learn more about Royal Selangor and their master pewter sculptors? Check out their official website here. Read more life stories. This Malaysian makes mesmerizing artisan keycaps that look more like gemstones. America has Vin Diesel, Southeast Asia has this guy. Eater. Kuala Lumpur is one of 2022's best food cities in the world.